Yes, you are wondering why I'm here. Legacy MH, I'm a Penewa. Yes, I told you this year I'm gonna give you more exciting, more lovely videos, and you know that is it. So right here is the hidden paradise. You know, I'm currently in Kumasi, and then I'm in Amambofie. You know, I can't come to Kumasi without here. So since I'm here to create this content for you, I must start from the heart of Kumasi. Here is Bantama, and right here is the Culture Center, Ghana National Culture Center. Yeah, so you know what it is? We are going inside to show you guys why we have Ghana. We have more things. Follow me. Let's do it. Yes, so we are inside the Culture Center. And the Culture Center in Kumasi. It's a room. So I'm gonna show you guys what we have here, and then these are some of the statues. You know, and don't forget say Temuda Eba, so what papa it is come from this noble man. So here is Culture Center, very beautiful environment, nice people, Kumasi, and then we are going inside. Papa, don't forget say the judgment they want about beno. Why I say it? If a bribe be under bribe no, on never bar beno. This man, on the papa. Na assassinate these are some of the paintings you can see right there in Culture Center. Manuel beautiful Okabenku. Yes, that is the Asante, you know, dance, the Adwa. Yes, so that is it. And these are some of the beautiful paintings. And for you 2-4 say Ajimai Pempe, the second, that is it. Some beautiful paintings right here in Culture Center. Yes, and I'm very exciting. If you are done, if you are the first one, Mama, yes, if you be a coma, I was say a 7 CEO in Sana Bibisa. It's Manu represents the act of, you know, welcomeness, was it the hospitality. Also, no shit, and so for my men, was it to my Sobolo, the authentic Ghanaian Sobolo. Oh, no, I got a man say, I said, Sobolo. So this woman gave me that. Let's go. Dustbins all around. When you're done, you drop it inside. Yeah, so the Asante Amamre and go bra. I don't really see these things around, but I will see a go bra. So that is to demonstrate the background in Ashanti, you know, culture. Yes, so I told you, don't forget, we are still in the Culture Center. The beer is authentic. The environment is good. All right, what to say? Yes, that is the Siako himself. Yes, the Ashanti always keep history. There were Mamre and Yamanie, and we don't forget. We few chrome here bench or bedroom. That is it. So this is Siako, the Odin. Yes, may baby Obi and the show and rest in peace. So it still represents Boisiako. We are here in Culture Center. Yes, I told you already. Job dream. And a fashion here and then a gracian so echoso ewahasi. Job dream. Yes, right in Culture Center. In Kunabe Buha, he beat me at Nasi Ajian. That is here the performance stage. It's the stage that people used to perform. Artists Bibaha. Bob Marley did the talent, so I say. So here is Drop Dream, yes, live in Culture Center. Yes, I'm feeling the energy over here. Yes, I'm feeling the excitement and everything over here. We are still moving. Let's go. Yes, so right here we are still in Kumasi Culture Center. We are here at African Art Gallery in Kumasi. So you can see these pieces on this, you know, at the pharmacy, and this is the before. So I say, before they put some beautiful art on this, they make sure it is something like this, and then after you'll be getting something beautiful like this. You understand? Very nice and very beautiful African Art Gallery. There are many stuff here. So I see. I'm here. Everyone saying, what's the name? Chow Chow. Yes, that is it. Chow Chow Kente and Fugu and stuff. All these stuff shows the real African culture. So I see. you can enter. So if you come, there are beautiful stuff over here. You understand? African Art Gallery located in Kumasi Cultural Center. Yes, Braha na Ebeto, the OPB, senior man for they are making very nice, painting over here. So as here, you can enter. Here are some beads, frugu, the African hats and stuff, everything. So as here, the OPB African Art Gallery here in Cultural Center. Yes, also we know your award on that today. And now you can just okay. Wow, that looks very nice. That looks very beautiful. Yes, pick that. Yes, so that is it. Senior man is normal keke. Nya award. Na me say award by nya award. But I'll bet you at all. This is we see bit na now dey. Wow, trade. Yes, so that's it. Yeah, so guys, we are still here in Art Gallery, African Art Gallery. That's it. Charlie. Yes, I don't feel myself. Yeah, so here is also part of the cultural center. And so, baby, you're more Chinese. So, yeah, I feel. Yes, so we are still live in cultural center, and here is pottery and ceramics. Yes, so you can enter and then you have a view of stuff over here. Yes, so friends say kuku ade. Yes, these are some of the traditional ways of doing things. It's we bet me day so you should be gum. These are some of the stuff, beautiful stuff over here. So don't be down at home. Charlie Kumasi Cultural Center. Never show any swag. That's what I say. Yes. So we bet me show gum about 10 years. We say bet me show gum about 10 years now inside. Then you still have the temperature that you are looking for. That's it. So these are the omode and the money free bar. They heat it. They make sure say it is also well arranged, well organized song. To me person I'm just taking a look. So these are the processes from they are processing it. It's not well finished yet. So I'm almost sweating. I mean, I'm sweating because this place is very big. And then finally I've got a cruise, nice environment here to relax. See trees, Charlie. The stress over here is too much, but it's beautiful though. It is fun though. Yes, here is Kumasi Cultural Center. Yes, this is a beautiful cruise. Look at the environment. Yeah, we friend a team in because I'm here enjoying the beautiful and then the authentic natural air from Kumasi Cultural Center. Yes, but we still have more though, so let's go. Yes, so guys, whilst I was taking this fresh air, I saw something I want to show you guys. This tree right here, the scientific name is Ficus cameroonensis. The local name is Amajidua. And you know what? It is for sexually transmitted disease, gono, syphilis, whatever it is, life in cultural center Kumasi. Me and Amajidua can patch out. Now I've shown you the trick. And that's you because you need permission. Ficus cameroonensis, local name is Amajidua. And it's also a medicine for the treatment of sexually transmitted diseases. The no syphilis. Hey, it's great. Yes, this there. Take a view. Show them. Ficus cameroonensis. Yes, it is over 500 years. Right. So, guys, that was a very short tour right here in Cultural Center Kumasi. And as I told you guys already, I can't come to Kumasi without showing you the heart of Kumasi. Right here is Cultural Center. Yes, it's don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and do whatever it is positively. Yes, so this is the Hidden Paradise. Yes, broadcasting live from that DTO Records. Yes, so until then, see you guys on the next video. This is the Hidden Paradise.